Hello and welcome to a 10 min check-in. I'm 10, 2 couldn't be here, so it's just me today. So I just wanted to do a brief unboxing. We got a subscription, 3 subscriptions actually, to Bookcase Club. 2 of them came. I don't know which 2 of these are, so 2 came, 1 didn't, so we're gonna figure out what came. So let's figure this out together. Okay. Face Blind by Lance Hawthorne. So, Face Blind. Can you see it? Interesting cover. Let's see what this is about, because I don't know. Focus. Okay, so I don't know which box I'm opening, so let me just have a look to see what it's about. Gabe Trilin is face blind, unable to tell one person from the next. Oh, that's interesting. Content to earn his living well away from civilization, he works as an astronomer at an observatory in the Earth's driest desert, where no rain has fallen for 400 years. Well, this must be sci-fi. But when he witnesses a murder that he's unable to prevent or comprehend, Gabe finds himself drawn to an investigation with disastrous consequences. Unable to provide a description of the killer to the police or explain his own erratic actions, he becomes their suspect in a series of horrific and unexplained mutilations. Oh my goodness. So I don't know if this one's sci-fi or thriller, because we ordered the sci-fi one, the mystery thriller one, and the YA one. So, okay. Splintered Silence by Susan Furlong. I think this is the thriller one. After an IED explosion abruptly ends her tour of duty, Bryn arrives stateside with PTSD and her canine partner, Wilco. Both of them bearing scars of battle. With a mix of affection, curiosity, and misgivings, she goes back to Bone Gap, Tennessee, and the insular culture she hoped to escape by enlisting in the Marines. Okay, this is a thriller. So this is thriller box. We got thriller box. Okay. So now let's open the next one. Oh, this is heavy. What are you? Ooh, wow, this is pretty. The Bear and the Nightingale by Catherine Arden. I think I'm going to read this first. Look at this. That's highly pigmented. So, let's see what this is about. At the edge of the Russian wilderness, winter lasts most of the year and the snowdrifts grow taller than houses. But Vasilisa doesn't mind. She spends the winter nights huddled around the embers of fire with her beloved siblings, listening to her nurse's fairy tales. Above all, she loves the chilling stories of Frost, the blue-eyed winter demon, who appears in the frigid night to claim unwary souls. Wise Russians fear him, her nurse says, and honor the spirits of the house and the yard and the forest and protect. Goes to Moscow. Here's my new wife. Fiercely devoted, city bred. Here's a family from honoring household spirits. The family acquiesces, but Alyssa is frightened, sensing that more hinges upon their rituals than everyone knows. And indeed, crops begin to fail. Evil creatures of the forest creep nearer. Must defy even the people she loves. Call on dangerous gifts she has long concealed. You know, I don't think I'm going to read this. The cover is beautiful. I thank them for sending this to me, but I'm not into demons. That's not for me. So that's going in the nearest trash bin. Not for me. The Rise and Fall of Dodo. Okay. So, this is a hefty book. Okay. What is this about? Okay, when Macindy Stokes, an expert in linguistics and languages, accidentally meets military intelligence operative Tristan Lyons in a hallway at Harvard University, in the beginning of a chain of events that will alter their lives and human history itself. The young man from a shadowy government entity approaches Mel, a low-key faculty member, with an incredible offer. The only condition: she must sign a non-disclosure agreement in return for a rather large sum of money. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be interesting. This doesn't feel very sci-fi-ish, but I mean, okay. Well, so to kind of get into these a little bit, so I pay $9 and change a month for the subscription, plus shipping, so it's about $11 and change, which isn't bad. It sends the books itself. Price wise, it's not bad, because if you look at how much these books cost, so this book would normally be I don't think you can see it, but okay, this book would normally be $35. The Dodo book would normally be $35. Then Bear and the Nightingale, which is the pretty book I'm not going to keep because I'm not into demons, this would normally retail at $27. And I think this is going to be a quick read, so I might read this over the weekend, I don't know. But Splintered Silence, this normally retails at $26. By the way, all this is USD. Price is all USD. And then Face Blind, I'm definitely going to read this one. Retails at $26.99. So this is basically over $100 worth of books for $22 if you add it up. So that's not bad. I can't wait for the YA. I hope that it's going to be something awesome in it. Out of the 4 books that I got, I'm only really looking forward to maybe reading one. I'm looking forward to reading Face Blind, but Dodo sounds cool too. I'm going to read the other one by Susan, because even though I don't feel like I'm going to like it, I might like it. You know, sometimes you feel like you don't like something like Brussels sprouts, and you try Brussels sprouts, and it's like, oh, this isn't bad. Add some butter, put some cheese, it's good. And so this other book I'm just gonna get rid of because I don't like that. So when we get the YA box, we'll be sure to unbox that. But thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.